Hi everyone, Veronica here, and I'm back in the daily kitchen today. This week I'm going to share with you how I get 2 cups of leafy greens into my diet each day. I follow the Daily Dozen and they recommend that we get 2 cups of leafy greens each day. So what I did was I went to Whole Foods Market. I purchased these 3 containers of leafy greens, which cost just about $15 for the whole week. I purchased a large container of organic spring mix, a small container of the organic baby kale, and a large container of the organic baby spinach. So come along with me as I share with you every day how I get my leafy greens. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Daily Dozen meal prep inspiration. Let's go! Okay, so the first recipe I'm going to share with you is this really easy, quick smoothie that I like to make in the morning. I like to meal prep this, so I'll make a big smoothie and then enjoy this for about 2 days. This has 2 cups of spinach, 5 Brazil nuts, 4 cups of water, 2 bananas, 1 cup of frozen mango. All you have to do is blend on high speed in a high-powered blender for 1 minute. And you have a big, delicious green smoothie that's packed with iron, calcium, even some protein, and it's just so delicious and easy to drink. Okay, this next recipe here is a great snack. This is basically air fryer crispy kale chips. All you do to make this recipe is you combine 2 cups of baby kale with about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a dash of salt, and optional 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix that really well in a bowl, and then spread the kale out on an air fryer tray. And then I air fry that for just about 5 minutes. I open my air fryer, check the kale. If it's still moist, I toss it around and then air fry again for 2 more minutes. And then what you have at the end is this really delicious, crispy kale that is a great snack. It's so easy to eat 2 cups of baby kale when you prepare it like this in the air fryer. I also have a recipe for how to make kale chips in the oven, and I'll share a link in the description below for that recipe. Okay, and then next we have a really quick and easy leafy green salad. I like to use baby spring mix for this salad, and I do like to meal prep this salad ahead of time and portion it into my bent-go meal prep containers. This is just so simple. Just put some cooked beans on top, some onions, some tomatoes. I like to put cucumbers. Cucumbers are packed with a lot of nutrition, surprisingly. So I just put these vegetables together with the baby spring mix in the container. And then I have a really simple dressing that I like to put on top. It's just mustard, a little bit of salt, some apple cider vinegar or rice vinegar, and then optional, a little bit of olive oil. And then here we have a recipe for bean wraps that are packed with leafy greens. So I found that bean wraps are a really great an easy way to sneak some leafy greens into the diet of my children. All I do is I combine some cooked beans with this delicious vegan cheese sauce, which I'll share a link in the recipe description below. I add a little chili powder to make it taste like queso, and then I chop up a bunch of baby spinach and I toss it all together. You can also mash that or puree that mixture. Then I spread it inside of a tortilla. I fold the tortilla in half, and then I cook the tortilla on both sides until it's nice and brown. And bean wraps are just a quick, easy way to get a lot of leafy greens and beans into your diet without a whole lot of meal prep. So this took me just about 5 to 6 minutes to prepare. Then, if you are really wanting extra greens, I shove a handful of the baby spring mix inside of the cooked bean wrap. So this is just like a really hearty, delicious wrap that makes 2 wraps. Okay, and then I have another recipe here for beans and greens again. This is like a garlicky white bean with baby kale mixed together with some chopped garlic, a little olive oil in a skillet. And then I sprinkle in a little bit of lemon juice after I've sauteed everything for just a few minutes. And the lemon juice helps cut through the bitter greens and bring all the flavors together. So you just saute everything in a skillet for less than 5 minutes, and you have a nice, warm, hearty bowl that's packed with leafy greens, legumes. It's got that garlic, the lemon juice, and it's just really delicious. I ate the whole bowl of this recipe in one sitting as a meal, and I was super satisfied. So I hope that you enjoyed this video of how I got 2 cups of leafy greens every day into my diet while following the Daily Dozen dietary recommendations. I hope this inspired you, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.